There have been several twists and turns and comparisons that are now being drawn to the situation in Bangladesh to the situation here in India. Right after political leaders like Sanjay Raut and others as well, here is the NC patron Dr. Farooq Abdullah, who has also cited the same Tanashah or dictatorship comparison and saying that the people in the country are running out of patience. He has also given it as a global communal spin. Let's listen in.
ये लेसन है न सिर्फ बांग्लादेश के लिए बल्कि हर एक डिक्टेटर के लिए। जो लोग हैं वो सब्र कर सकते हैं, मगर एक वक्त आएगा जबकि वो सब्र का प्याला जो है वो उछल जाएगा। और वही हुआ। वहाँ ये फीलिंग थी कि मुसलमानों पे जो दुनिया में जुल्म हो रहा है उसके ख़िलाफ़ भी एक आवाज़ थी। बात यही थी कि अगर ये वहाँ से फरार नहीं होती तो ये भी इसको भी मार डालते।
Rishabh, how do we understand such political statements coming in? I mean, India is a secular, democratic country. To make an comparison with the country which has Muslim majority, and of course, when it comes to certain developments that have been taking place in their own country, why comparisons are being drawn with India?
Well, when it comes to Indian subcontinent, there have been comparisons drawn, and there is a reason why India has flourished in last 7 decades while our neighbors haven't. In around 5.5 decades, Bangladesh has witnessed, this is the 4th such instance where the sitting state head or the government head has been ousted. In this time, at least Sheikh Hasina saved herself and fled the country in time. We have seen Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, we have seen Ziaur Rahman and others being killed during the coup in past in Bangladesh as well. When it comes to countries like Pakistan, we have seen how the military
and of course, when it comes to the crisis, India for now has several countries in its neighborhood that has been victim of internal politics.